Hi guys, how are you guys doing over there? I am good, I'm doing great. I'm doing great. By the help of God, I'm doing great. So guys, this is my experience from the earthquake. Because yes guys, I was home. I was here sitting down on the bed. So when Malachi was home, I felt the bed start moving. And then it gets harder, shaking. And then I heard the whole house start shaking. I was like, oh, it's an earthquake. The place was like pulling apart. And Malika was like, Mommy, you hear that? Like, yes, baby. He's like, Mommy, feel that? Like, yeah, it's an earthquake. It's an earthquake. Like, yes, baby. So guys, I guess Malachi felt his first ever earthquake. But guys, I think this is the hardest one I ever felt because it's been a while I haven't felt any. Even when I saw persons posting on their status and saying that we just have an earthquake, we just feel an earthquake. I go on TikTok, I go on Facebook, I go on, and a person's like, earthquake, I'm not feeling an earthquake. So I always like, look like something wrong with me. Be dead. Be that I don't live feelings because everybody posting to them feel earthquake or be always they warm or something or standing in the walk or something and I don't feel it. So I guess this is just the time for me to feel one. But guys, I never got scared. Yeah, to be honest, I never got scared. Because we know about earthquake or we used to feel earthquake, so it never scared me, but the house was shaking down though. Nothing felt, nothing broke. We got nothing broken, but yeah, it was hard. And then like I saw everyone posting videos of supermarkets, stuff drop off the shelves and all of that, and it was horrible. It was awful because a lot of stuff in most of the supermarket fell off the shelves, especially the bottles like the liquors or ketchups and all of them stuff there were filled, you know, so then they broke on the spot. So yeah, what heap of things people lose. But we don't lose nothing though. So far, thank God for Jesus. It could be worse, but I guess it was okay. It was okay. So that's that for now. It was a good one. It was a good one though. But guys, currently Romario updates on school and exams and CXC. Romario is about to do 7 subjects, 7 business subjects, and he needs a laptop. I'm sourcing a laptop for him. I need 2, but for Romario, Anna in grade 10. Romario is currently in grade 11, doing 7 subjects, so I would love to get one for Romario. So I'm sourcing, because you know a laptop is very expensive at the moment, and currently I'm no longer working currently because my company says I can't work past 7 months, which is I'm already past. So they stopped me from work saying that they were gonna pay me, and I guess that's a no. Let's see though. But I'm currently seeking a laptop for Mario also, guys, because he's a very brilliant boy, very bright student. Every teacher loves him and all of that. He's always consistent in his schoolwork and all of that. So I would love to get a laptop for him. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. Let me know. So guys, yeah, as I was saying, don't tell me what you guys think about the whole earthquake thing in Jamaica. I remember 5 point too much them say it was or something like that. And that was my current experience from the earthquake. Don't forget to invite a friend over, guys. Sorry we couldn't get your earthquake on camera, but wasn't thinking at that point in time. I was just there sitting on the bed like watching the place shaking. So yeah, and invite a friend, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, invite a friend over again and again and again. Peace, guys. Love you all.